Smoke control refers to strategies and systems designed to manage and direct smoke movement in buildings during a fire to enhance safety and facilitate evacuation. Effective smoke control is critical for ensuring the safety of occupants and first responders, as well as protecting property. Here are some key components and methods of smoke control. 1. Smoke control systems. These systems are engineered to control the spread of smoke within a building. They include mechanical smoke ventilation systems, utilize fans and ductwork to extract smoke from specific areas, reducing smoke density and maintaining tenable conditions for occupants. Natural smoke ventilation systems rely on the natural buoyancy of hot smoke to rise and exit through vents or windows strategically placed in the building. 2. Pressurization systems. Pressurization is used to keep smoke from entering certain areas, like stairwells, lobbies, and escape routes. By maintaining a higher air pressure in these areas compared to adjacent spaces, smoke is prevented from infiltrating these critical zones. 3. Smoke barriers and compartmentation. Buildings are designed with smoke barriers and compartments to limit smoke spread. Fire-rated walls, floors, and doors can contain smoke within a compartment, allowing safe evacuation and easier firefighting operations. 4. Smoke management in atriums. Atriums and large open spaces present unique challenges. Solutions may include smoke curtains, which can deploy to contain smoke in specific zones, and large smoke exhaust fans to remove smoke effectively. 5. Stairwell pressurization. Ensuring stairwells remain free of smoke is crucial for safe evacuation. Pressurization systems provide fresh air into stairwells to prevent smoke from entering, allowing safe egress. 6. Detection and control integration. Smoke control systems often integrate with fire detection and alarm systems to ensure timely activation. Upon detection of smoke, these integrated systems can automatically manage ventilation, pressurization, and compartmentation to control smoke spread. 7. Emergency power supplies. Smoke control systems are typically connected to emergency power supplies to ensure they remain operational during a power outage, which is common during fires. 8. Regular testing and maintenance. Ongoing testing and maintenance of smoke control systems are critical to ensure they function correctly in an emergency. Regular drills and inspections help identify and rectify any potential issues. Benefits of smoke control. Enhanced safety, provides safer conditions for building occupants to evacuate and for firefighters to operate. Property protection, limits smoke damage to property, reducing restoration costs. Regulatory compliance, meets building codes and fire safety regulations, which often require specific smoke control measures. Thanks for listening. Please check comments for much more.